format of this event is learning, networking. We're going to have a couple of presentations to start with, then a bit of networking time, a couple more presentations, Q&As, and then if anyone who wants to, we're going to the pub around the corner.
As a new business, very interested in the thoughts about building for exit or lifestyle, because we've got that sort of planning and decision making to make, but also networking.